Sure guys, welcome to another gardening video. Today I think I'm gonna change it up a bit for the gardening section of my YouTube. I'm gonna do more of a daily vlog type thing where I just show you what's growing, what's not growing, what I'm having issues with, and then daily chores and stuff. So basically my idea for this season is that I'm not going to water. Yes, I said it. I'm not watering anymore. I'm going to let nature handle that. So I'm a bit worried because it hasn't rained since I planted and then I watered, and then I think, let's say 2 days after that it rained, but it hasn't rained since. So it's been like 2 weeks now where it hasn't rained. So I wanna actually do a huge experiment and see what would be the outcome if I just didn't water at all. And yeah, you guys are gonna come on this journey with me. So smash a like, subscribe, because every Wednesday, I promise guys, I promise, I said this a long time ago that I'm gonna be posting every Wednesday. I'm promised now, posting every Wednesday, every single Wednesday. You can see me. Yeah, so we're gonna just go through the garden right now and see what's growing, what's not, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Guys, as you can clearly, there's no growth. This is where I planted the onions. There's no growth at all, so we hope that improves. The peppers are starting to flower again. Now they can see it's spring. I think the peppers are doing fine. I think they're gonna grow soon, hopefully. The dragon's tongue, this one is flourishing again. It was dead in winter and now it's flourishing again, and that should help the soil. Of strawberries are looking a bit lonely. They're looking a bit sad. So we'll see there. And then this is my chili plant. This is also doing well. It really held up during winter and during spring. Now I think it's gonna flourish. The potatoes, some heads, as you can see here, let's say here, the potatoes, some of them are starting to come up, so I just need to cover them again. Yeah, we have no growth in the carrots, in the beetroot. We have no growth in the in the carrots. No growth in the beans, in the bean section. I thought the beans would do up. And in the performance of the week, we have the peas. Some of the peas have come up. Yeah, some of the peas have started to come up. There we have a few. So this row is doing pretty well with the peas. Hopefully they continue to grow. Yeah, and we have some more on this row as well. You guys can see there. There's some here. There's one pea here. You know, the peas are doing pretty well, man. They are doing pretty well. See, and then we have a little voluntary seed. Yeah, we have a cucumber there. I don't think that's gonna be a problem because it's gonna be growing underneath the pepper. The peas. Actually, yeah. So there's 3 in one patch. So I just need to thin that out and maybe just put them all in other places. In the tomato patch, now this is where we get a bit sad, okay? Because there's a little rodent. There's a rodent or something digging in the tomato patch. Can you see? Something's digging. And yeah, so there's no growth in the tomato patch. none whatsoever. We have some, I mean, not parsley or coriander, one or the other. These I just didn't pull them out properly, and then they just grew again. There's no growth in the spinach patch, and it seems like that rodent is also digging here as well. But then there's some growth with the lettuce, which is always nice. I just have to thin it, guys. There's been a bit of growth with the cabbages. If you look here, there's one there, and there's one beginnizer also there. It still hasn't rained. I'm getting, but as the days pass, I'm getting more and more worried. I think there might be some growth here as well. I think so. As the days go on, I get worried more and more. I hope it rains soon. Here, click, guys. So here I'm going to thin these. These are cucumber seeds, I think from last season. So I'm gonna leave. I guess I'm gonna take this one out. I think that one's not doing too well. And then leave this one out. Hopefully, yeah. Hopefully I can put this one somewhere else, and then hopefully it grows, and then we'll let this one grow on its own. So we'll put it in this area. Planted the other one here. Hopefully it can grow. Hopefully it doesn't get too stressed out. I watered this part, so hopefully it continues to grow. And I guess we'll see, and I'll show you guys everything.